Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, and here pick phone ringtone, it's right here. And now let me show you all the options that you have here, starting with HUAWEI tune.
It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun.
And then just pick the one that you like the most. I will pick Dream It Possible. And that's it. As you can see, you've just changed phone ringtone in your HUAWEI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.